Hey everyone, Dave here. How do you know your headset is ready for an upgrade? Perhaps your headset is working okay and you don't think that you need anything new. But I'm sure there was a time that people were riding horses thinking that everything was just fine, not knowing that there was an alternative car available that's a lot more efficient and has nice cold air conditioning. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 7 reasons why you should consider upgrading. It's not only going to make you more productive, it's going to make you happier, and some of these features are going to blow your mind. All right, first up, we have microphone sound quality. Having a good sounding mic is vital for communicating with customers over the phone or even in video meetings. If you have distracting loud noises behind you, such as barking dogs, kids playing, or your coworkers chatting in the background, it can create a difficult conversation or just be unprofessional. So let's compare 2 of the most popular Bluetooth headsets over the last 5 to 10 years in age that are still working okay by our customers today. And compare that with the new Jabra Evolve 255 microphone so you can hear the performance for yourself.
All right, now this is what it sounds like with no noises going on in the background on the Evolve 65. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is a quiet environment on the Poly Voyager Focus UC. All right, now this is the Jabra Evolve 255 in a quiet environment. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like in an office environment with the Evolve 65. Now this is office noises on the Poly Voyager Focus UC. And now this is the Evolve 255 in an office environment. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like on the Evolve 65 with barking dogs. This is what it sounds like. And this is barking dogs on the Poly Voyager Focus. This is what it sounds like. And this is the barking dog sound test with the Evolve 255. This is what it sounds like. And this is the Evolve 65 with a blender. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is the blender test with the Poly Voyager Focus UC. And this is the Evolve 255 with the blender roaring next to us. This is what it sounds like.
As you can tell, the microphone on the new Jabra Evolve 250 sounds much better. You'll have better sound quality and the noise cancellation is just far superior. All right, reason number 2 is your charging interface. If your headset is still using the micro USB to charge your headset, it's probably time to upgrade. Considering the new industry standard is USB-C, which provides much faster charging and it's universal, so you don't have to figure out which way is up or down. And a lot of these latest headsets have this fancy lightning bolt icon, which means that it supports wireless charging, so you can use your existing wireless charger to even charge your headset without plugging anything in. All right, reason number 3 is wireless range. If your wireless headset doesn't allow you to get out of your office, giving you only about 5 to 10 feet of wireless freedom, it's probably time to upgrade. With the latest Jabra Evolve 2 series, it utilizes Bluetooth 5.2, which is going to allow for longer, more consistent wireless range, giving you more like 50 to 70 feet of wireless freedom. So that means that you can go grab a cup of coffee or take your phone calls or meetings to new places such as this one. All right, reason number 4 is battery life. If you're having to recharge your headset multiple times per day, or at least 1 time per day, then it's time to consider an upgrade. Previous Bluetooth technology 4.0 series and below consumed more battery power, and the more you recharge your headset, it just creates less battery life the longer you own it. With the new Jabra Evolve 2 series, it utilizes Bluetooth 5.2, which is more efficient for battery life. And on top of that, some of the models are going to give you over 30 hours of battery life, giving you more peace of mind and less battery anxiety, so you can use the headset for both work and play without fear. Reason number 5 is modern design. If you're still rocking a headset that has pops of color like red and orange, well, they've served us well, but the newer headsets have evolved. And yes, that is a pun intended, to a more elegant and modern design. The new models have a matte black finish that really blend in with any work environment. And on top of that, I think they just look really cool. Not only is the style of the design improved, but they've also improved the functionality. Take, for example, the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex. This headset is able to fold in half so that it's easy to travel with. So if you're a hybrid or a remote worker, it's going to be much easier to transport. And on top of that, the microphone boom folds away into the headset itself. So when you're wearing it with the mic boom up, it looks like you're just wearing a pair of sleek headphones. The durability has also been improved. On previous models, they haven't always had the strongest designs, whereas the new headsets have gone through more rigorous testing and they've really improved the reliability and durability, and that's why they now back them with a full 2-year warranty or more. And on top of that, if your headset kind of looks like this, it's probably time to consider an upgrade. Reason number 6 is speaker sound quality. This is a really important one, especially if you're someone who likes to rock out to music during your workday. Headsets previously were more designed to accommodate your work applications for crystal clear phone calls, but the problem is they kind of neglected the music side, so you'd have to use one headset for work and another headset like headphones for listening to music. But on the new headsets, they've really combined the best of both. You have the speaker sound quality that's going to be great for talking with your customers or video meetings as far as what you hear. You'll hear the voices more clearly, but then music is also starting to sound fantastic. Have a listen to some older headsets and speakerphones compared to the newer speakerphones and headsets. Our microphone can't pick up all of the different depth and range in music, but what I can tell you is that these newer headsets and speakerphone sound way better than the older headsets as far as the bass, the mids, and overall just sound quality is much more enjoyable. I don't know about you, but for me, older headsets that don't sound good for music, I just don't really like to listen to music when using those types of headsets. All right, reason number 7 is active noise cancellation. If you're working from home or you work in an open office environment, ANC can be game changer. When it comes to distracting noises like kids playing in the background, dogs barking, or even your coworkers talking behind you and you eavesdrop because you can hear them, it can be very distracting. It can take up to 20 minutes for you to get back on track to what you are working on, and it can really help with productivity. The new wireless headsets all come included with active noise cancellation, which allows you to electronically remove that ambient noise behind you so that you can really concentrate and focus on your most important work. If your headset or speakerphone is suffering from any of the 7 reasons we talked about, then it's time to consider an upgrade. And before you worry about the cost, we have you covered. Not only do we have discounted pricing available on our website, headsetadvisor.com, but you can also use coupon code YouTube, all one word, to save even more. And on top of that, right now we have a $40 rebate if you trade in your old headset. That could be any brand, any type of headset that will apply to specifically the Jabra Evolve 250, Jabra Evolve 255, Jabra Evolve 265 Flex, and also the Jabra Speak 2 series speakerphones, and you can save up to $40 each headset or speakerphone you purchase. So that means you can get one of these new awesome wireless headsets for as low as $160 or $8 per month on a 36-month leasing plan on qualified opportunities. And that will cover you for unlimited customer support and a warranty for the entire duration of the lease. So you're never down a headset. Go to headsetadvisor.com/trade-in to take advantage of this awesome offer right now. All right, here's a quick overview of each of the headsets that are available on this rebate. The Evolve 250 is a wired USB headset that will plug into your computers, but it also has Bluetooth so that you can pair it up with your smartphone and use one headset for both your computer and your smartphone calls. On top of that, it's extremely lightweight and comfortable. It has active noise cancellation even on the mono or stereo model, and overall is an awesome, powerful wired headset. The Evolve 255 is the wireless version of the Evolve 250. They look identical, except the 55 is wireless. It comes included with a USB Bluetooth adapter that connects to your computer or laptop and can also pair up to your smartphone. And it's designed to connect to all your work applications like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, RingCentral, or whatever communication app that you use. It has active noise cancellation, extremely lightweight and comfortable, and overall has an awesome noise canceling microphone that you heard earlier in this video, and we're gonna test it again in just a minute so you can hear it. And the price point is an entry-level price point at about $200. Next up is the Evolve 265 Flex. This is currently my favorite option for my current work style, which is hybrid. Sometimes I'm working from home, sometimes I'm working from the office, and I have more of an open office type environment. So I like having the Evolve 265 Flex because it sounds great for music. It's better sound quality than the Evolve 255. And I like that the microphone boom is able to flip up and out of the way. It just looks sleek, modern. Overall, like the design and style of the headset. And then of course, it's easily transportable, so you can fold it away and travel with it very easy. And now before we wrap up, let us do one last microphone test so you can hear the Jabra Evolve 255 against one of the current competitors, the Voyager 4320 and Airpods, so you can hear the difference between the microphones.
All right, this is Airpods in a quiet environment. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is the Evolve 255 in a quiet environment, and this is what it sounds like. All right, this is what it sounds like on the Voyager 4320. This is what it sounds like in a quiet environment. This is office noises. This is what it sounds like with AirPods. This is what it sounds like. This is the Evolve 255 in an office environment, and this is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with the office noise in the background on the Voyager 4320. This is what it sounds like. This is the barking dogs test with AirPods, and this is what it sounds like. This is the barking dog test with the Evolve 255, and this is what it sounds like. This is the barking dog sound test. This is what it sounds like on the Voyager 4320. This is what it sounds like. And this is the crying baby sound test with the AirPods. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is the Evolve 255 with crying babies in the background, and this is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like on the Voyager 4320 with crying babies in the background. This is what it sounds like. This is the AirPods with the blender in the background. This is what it sounds like. Now this is the blender test with the Evolve 255. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like on the Voyager 4320 with the blender test going on in the background. This is what it sounds like.
What did you think of the microphone performance? Tell us what you think in the comment section below. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section or reach out to our team here in California. Email us, call us, a live chat with us, and we'd be happy to assist you with any of your questions. Now, if you want to check out the full in-depth review we did of the Evolve 265 Flex, check that out there. We go through all the details, how it works, and of course, test out that noise canceling microphone so you can hear it for yourself. Check it out there. Other than that, thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.